Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can join the CapCut Pro. So with CapCut Pro, there are several features that you can use to edit your videos with best experiences. And here, if you want to join the CapCut Pro, there are two ways that you can do. You can just open your CapCut, then click on this Pro button at the top, and you'll head into this CapCut Pro offer. Or you can also go to your profile. Let's go back, click on the Me at the bottom, and here there will be an option to join the CapCut Pro. Click on that, and here you'll provided with three offers, or four, I mean. The prices, I think it's depend on your country. And with CapCut Pro, you can unlock all pro features and materials. You can edit with premium templates, and you'll get 100 GB cloud space storage. So here you just need to choose the price, or the price that fits you. So for example, I'm going to just use it for 1 month. Click on purchase at the bottom. Okay, it will load and it will lead you to the Google Play payment like this. So here you can choose to the payment method by clicking on this. So you can just choose which one that you want to use as the payment method. You can use your e-wallet, you can use your Google Play balance, credit or debit card, or you can also use you can also pay with your bank. So just choose which one, and after that click on buy and just wait until the Pro is activated. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.